welcome to our Silent Unity prayer and meditation service for January 2026. Welcome to this new year and this shared time of prayer that we live together every month. So let's take a moment to get settled into our chairs as we get quiet and still. We pause at the threshold of this new moment and remember, God is the life within the breath, the wisdom within the stillness, the presence unfolding through all that is. We open our hearts to this awareness and let it steady us. Every new beginning is simply God revealing more of itself through us. So together we affirm, peace fills my heart and mind. Peace is the still rhythm beneath every thought. It moves through me now, quiet and certain. I am centered in divine order. The power of faith anchors me, and the power of strength sustains me. In this calm awareness, I rest in the peace of God that knows no opposite. Love is expressed fully through me. Love moves without limit. It is the creative energy at work in all things. Through the power of love, harmony is restored and kindness becomes my language. Every thought, word and action becomes an offering of love to the world. I am love in expression. Life renews me in every breath. The power of life flows freely through every part of my being. It strengthens, restores and uplifts. I open to divine vitality that refreshes my body, mind and soul. Life is sacred energy moving through creation, and I am one with its eternal pulse. Gratitude expands my awareness of good. I see divine blessings in every moment. Through the power of understanding, I perceive purpose where I once saw chance. Through the power of will, I choose to dwell in gratitude. Every recognition of good multiplies good. My life is rich in grace and full of possibilities. I am a living prayer of peace for the world. Every thought is a seed of light. I envision a world awakened to oneness. The power of imagination allows me to see it clearly. The power of zeal moves me to act with courage and compassion. Peace begins in me and radiates outward without end. As we prepare to bring our time to a close, we focus on our breathing once more, fully present to this sacred moment. The presence of God is alive in us and as us. We step forward renewed, carrying light into every place we go, trusting the divine activity at work in all things. Together we affirm, the light of God surrounds us, the love of God enfolds us, the power of God protects us, the presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. Bless you for sharing in this time. Have a delightful January. Thank you.